You need to tape this, okay? I'm gonna have like a major wipeout if I don't do this rightly. Correctly pointed at the yellow thing. Okay?
Okay.
Well,
It's pointed.
If I break my neck, you can have my Wii.
Sweet.
It's like gonna be like an addition to Jackass.
Sweet.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Woo!
Yeah! Okay, this is gonna be like the Jackass kind of trick, but it's gonna be like the teenage version.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, Allie.
Okay, my hair is gonna look awful after this.
Oh, wow.
I accidentally erased the first one, so ready?
Alright, whatever.
Damn it. Keep it rolling. I didn't do it right.
Okay.
Damn it! I'm too big! Why can't I do it this first? Okay, I'm gonna get it right this time. I'm not supposed to have. Ah, fuck.
What did you do?
I walked into the. Never mind.
You just fell.
I'm not gonna try again. Well, if I do it right this time.
Yeah. Yo, rip and click them. I got the shoes. They look so cute on me.
Oh my god.
And now,
One more.
yeah, I can wear them without socks and with socks. And yeah, I bought socks. They actually felt tighter this sock. Well, they felt kind of uncomfortable. Well, and then when I just,
Ow.
I don't know. And I'm trying to.
I can't do it. I got it right the first time. I swear to God, I got it right the first time. But I accidentally deleted the video.